In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign in email. Now, Docusign is an incredibly convenient tool for signing documents digitally, and it's especially useful when integrated directly into your email. We'll walk through the process together step by step, ensuring that you can set it up without a hitch and start using it right away. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Google Workspace Marketplace. This is your go-to place for finding apps and add-ons that can enhance your Google services. Simply open your browser and head over to the marketplace. From there, in the search bar, type in the word Docusign e-signature. This will direct you to the Docusign app page where you can find additional details and reviews, which can be reassuring if you're trying this for the first time. Once you've located the Docusign e-signature app in the search results, it's time to proceed with the installation. You'll usually see an Install button prominently displayed on the page. Click on it to start the installation process. Ensure that you're using an account with the appropriate permissions, as you may need administrator rights to add the app, especially if you're using a work email. After clicking Install, you might be prompted to sign in or provide permissions. Follow the on-screen instructions to allow the necessary permissions for Docusign to integrate smoothly with your email. This might involve linking your Google account, so make sure you're signed into the correct one. With Docusign now installed, let's verify that the add-on is correctly implemented. Head back over to your Gmail and navigate through your inbox as you typically would. Look closely at your sidebar where you usually see icons or shortcuts for other add-ons and applications. Here, you should notice a new icon for Docusign. If it's there, congratulations. You've successfully added Docusign to your email. If for any reason the icon doesn't appear, don't panic. Sometimes it requires restarting your browser or refreshing the page to ensure everything syncs properly. It's also helpful to clear your cache or check for any pending updates to your browser, as these can occasionally interfere with newly installed add-ons. And there you have it. You're all set up and ready to use Docusign directly from your email. This will streamline your document signing process, making it far more efficient and less time-consuming. You can now sign, send, and manage documents all from within your inbox, saving not only paper but precious time too. Remember, digital signatures are legally binding in many scenarios, saving you the hassle of printing and scanning documents. Thank you for following this guide, and I hope you find the integration of Docusign into your email to be a valuable addition to your digital toolkit. Happy signing,